There's a place on Endeavor where the good life starts. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and plenty of heart. Fresh floors, open living, everything feels right. Moving ready comfort from morning into night. Come on home to Endeavor Drive. Easy living, this is how you thrive. Poolside days and a place of your own at the yacht club community. Welcome home, 4220. Come see what's in store. Your next chapter is waiting right outside the door. Primary suite with a walk-in space. Covered patio for your own relaxing place. A garage, clubhouse, everything you need. Low maintenance living made simple indeed. Come on home to Endeavor Drive. Move on up, move on in, start living your life. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, everything feels right. Comfort and convenience, morning to night. Call Tiffany Brunin and come through the door. 4220 Endeavor, you could be home once more.